Hello guys, welcome to another trading video in which you will get very good trading knowledge. I hope you will learn a lot and your trading will improve. In this video we will follow the trendline retracement strategy. If you want more videos of this strategy, then you can check the playlist of the channel, in which you will get to see trades on different patterns. Here I am using 0.95 lot size. See you guys after applying trade. Guys, right now we are losing some dollars which will soon convert into profit. I have $3,600 in my account which we will try to grow. Here we have come from loss to profit, which has crossed $100. Our entry has happened at the right time. You will know this later. Here we will proceed in the trade with proper technical analysis, so that we can go in the right direction. The trend of the market is downtrend. Earlier the trend was uptrend. Here we will first create a trend channel. The market is following this trend line very well, due to which we will see perfect higher high points. We will connect all these points with the trend line, so that we can get the correct trend line. This trend line is the most important among all the levels. We will connect the second trend line with the same angle at higher low points, which will act as support. Whenever the market has come near this trend line, we have seen upward reversal. This will give us an idea of how far the market can go down. Right now the market is moving inside this trend channel, from which we will get mostly downtrend signals. The market has just taken resistance from the trend line and is moving downwards with a large bearish candle, so that we can see a good selling move. Now we have to draw strong support resistance level, which is an important part of the analysis. At this level the market has created multiple support resistance points, due to which the market has repeatedly reversed at this level. On all these points you can see that the market has reversed very well again and again, which has created a strong level here along with the trend line. The market has also taken resistance at strong level, due to which we are getting strong signals on the downside. High probability chance the market will go down from here, as all our levels are giving signals towards down, which is a high probability signal. Our analysis work is complete. We have applied the trade in the right direction. We will definitely benefit from this, because if the analysis is correct, then it becomes easier to manage the trade. Guys, now we have to set stop loss and target point so that we can follow our rules properly. Here my stop loss will be above the strong support resistance level and inside the trend channel, which is 16 pips above. If the market gives a breakout on the upper trend line, then we will create a buy trade plan. And the target point will be 32 pips below the way the market is moving down. There is a possibility of hitting our target soon. The market may go below our target level as the market is moving in a strong downtrend. Guys, we are making a few dollars profit here. Let's see how much profit the market will give us. I quickly place the stop loss and target point. All our work has been completed here. Now the next work starts in the market. Because we have completed whatever work was in our hands, now we will wait patiently for the stop loss or target to be hit, in which our psychology is needed the most. We have to keep our psychology strong, because there can be big ups and down moves in the market. At this time we will not close the trade midway, as it is against our rules. See you guys after some time. I hope you like the video. If possible, please like the video.
To make this our world, gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill. You cannot stop me, I'ma make it to the top spicy. Call a covenant, not cocky. You cannot break me, this world's mine for the taking. Got an itch, man, I'm making. I'll keep my head down and grind and be patient. I'll take a stab at the top and the sailing. They can all try, but you cannot contain it. Cause I see the things that I want and I take on my goals. Push myself to the brink, no limit. Do what it takes to...
Very nice guys, as soon as we applied for trade in the market fell straight down and hit our target. This target of ours was achieved only after 7 hours, which means that our target has been hit in a short time. Sometimes we apply trade and we achieve the target after one day. Here our analysis is correct, that the market has given movement in our direction. I have said earlier also that when our analysis is correct, then we can manage the trade easily. Our target was at this level, which was hit some time ago. The market consolidated at our target level for 1 hour, but we did not close the trade. Now after further analysis I will tell you where support and resistance points have been created in the market, by which we can guess the market pattern. At this level the market has created multiple support points. Here the market has repeatedly reversed at this level. Here the market did consolidation for a long time, but now this consolidation zone has been broken and the market can move well downwards. because there is a consolidation breakout here. Now we should close the trade. Our goal has been achieved. Guys, here we are making profit from $3,000. We have grown our account from $3,600 to $6,900. Our analysis was very good in this trade so that we could generate good profit. If you liked this video, then please like it, and if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe. See you in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.